ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the if you any solid material having the solid material we will apply to the any heat, that time how to the expanded of the that solid material temperature, how to changes means now we will discuss. First, expansion of solids. Expansion of solids also is three types of the expansion of solids having. First one is the linear expansion of solid, and second one is the aerial expansion of solid. Third one is the volume expansion of solids. First we will discuss the linear expansion of solids. Linear expansion. Linear expansion means first if you any body is the linear body having, suppose mine I will consider to the one of the rod initially some length having, this length is small l considered, but if you any initially some temperature having, this temperature is T1 considered. If you suppose any temperature or any heat is applied on the body, this body is some expanded means linearly expanded. This length expanded after total length is the L2. Initially suppose L1 considered. Now here how much is expanded of the length? This is the expanded of length del L. Now del L is the total length of the expanded of after original length, means L2 minus L1 is the expansion of length. Del L is equal to the L2 minus L1. But here what is the coefficient of linear expansion means the coefficient of linear expansion is represented to the alpha. Coefficient of linear expansion equal to alpha is equal to coefficient of linear expansion means the change of the length by original length, means original length is L1 into change of temperature. Change of temperature means initially temperature T1 having, mine heat applied after that is expanded, that temperature is T2 considered suppose, means the coefficient of linear expansion is alpha equal to change of the length means L2 minus L1 by L1 into change of temperature, final temperature minus initial temperature means T2 minus T1. Now here what happened, the L2 expanded of the totally length means expansion of the total length want means now cross multiplied means alpha into L1 into T2 minus T1 means del T considered mine equal to del L means L2 minus L1. Now here L2 I need, L2 is equal to the L1 converted to right side means L1 plus alpha L1 del T. Now L1 is the common term, L2 is equal to L1 common 1 plus alpha del T. L1 is the initially of temperature based 0, suppose some temperature is having means that is initially temperature. L2 is the some heat is produced after of the temperature means LT equal to L naught into 1 plus alpha del T. If you any at temperature applied after the total length is equal to original of the length into 1 plus alpha del T. Alpha means coefficient of linear expansion. This is called explaining of the if you any solid body is linear expansion. Now second one is the aerial expansion. What is the aerial expansion? Means if you any solid body is at having, that is aerial having, means now one of the square plate having this original area A having, if you at any temperature we can apply, means this body is some expansion. This area is A2 consider, initial A1, temperature T1, here temperature T2. But the aerial expansion want means here del A is equal to the A2 minus A1, change of the area. Same coefficient of aerial expansion is equal to the beta representation, means change of the area by original area, means original area A1 into change of temperature. Here beta is equal to the change of area A2 minus A1 by A1 into del T. Now here how much area is expanded? A2 area how much means now multiplied with converted to right side beta into A1 into del T is equal to the A2 is equal A2 minus A1. Now A1 is converted to the left side, means A2 is equal to the A1 plus beta A1 into del T. Now A1 is the common term outside. A2 is equal to A1 1 plus beta del T. If you suppose at temperature is the T2 time is the A2 area having, at temperature T1 time area A1 having, converted to the means AT is equal to A0 1 plus beta del T. These are the aerial expansion of the, means how much area is expanding after temperature applied, means AT is equal to A0 into 1 plus beta into del T. These are the explanation of aerial expansion. Now third one is the volume expansion. Now if you enter any one of the volume body having cube, suppose mine considered. Now original volume is the V1 having at temperature T1 having. Now this is expanded, means now volume is expanded. Volume expanded after volume is V2, temperature is T2 having. Now change of the volume is del V is equal to the V2 minus V1. But what happened, the coefficient of volume expansion? Coefficient of volume expansion equal to coefficient of volume is explanation is the gamma is equal to the change of the volume, means del V by original volume, means V1 into del T, change of temperature. Now gamma is equal to the del V is the V2 minus V1 by V1 into del T. Now after some heat applied, how much expanded of the volume having means, now this term is converted to left side, gamma V1 into del T is equal to the V2 minus V1. Now V2 I need, V1 converted to the left side, V2 is equal to the V1 plus gamma V1 del T. Now here V1 is the common term outside, V2 is equal to V1 1 plus gamma del T. At any temperature means, at any temperature volume, what happen at initial temperature of volume means Vt is equal to the V0 into 1 plus gamma del T. These are the explanation of Vt at the temperature of the volume. But what is the units of the linear expansion, volume expansion and areal expansion means all are the same units. Linear, areal, volume or expansions are same units. What is the unit? SI unit is the, now here volume cancel means change of temperature. Temperature unit is the Kelvin, means 1 by Kelvin or Kelvin inverse. That is the explanation of units of linear, areal and volume expansion. Now what is the relation between of the linear expansion and volume expansion and areal expansion? Now relation between alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha means coefficient of linear expansion, beta means coefficient of areal expansion, gamma means coefficient of volume expansion. Now already we know linearly based, linear LT is equal to the L0 into 1 plus alpha T del T having, but at temperature is equal to 1 degree Celsius is considered mine, means LT is equal to the L0 into 1 plus alpha. This is generally equation 1. Suppose now areal means, if you any square of the considered means areal final is equal to the L final into L final, length into length also, area means LF square. LF square means this is the final of the length, means A final is equal to L0 1 plus alpha square. Now here L0 square into 1 plus alpha whole power 2 means, that is converted to the expansion of methods means 2 alpha. This is A final came as it easily areal expansion of final AF is equal to the A0 square. A0 square means, that is initial length of this square means L0 square 1 plus beta del T. Here del T is the temperature is 1 degree Celsius, means AF is equal to L naught square 1 plus beta. Now these both equations are comparison, means beta is equal to 2 alpha. Comparison of these two means, now next volume, finally VF is equal to the same LF into LF into LF is equal to the LF cube. Length into length into length means volume. Finally VF is equal to the L naught cube into 1 plus alpha whole cube. Now here VF is equal to the L naught cube 1 plus 3 alpha. Now this one, but finally, and another writing method, VF is equal to the L naught cube of 1 plus gamma 1 plus gamma del T. Here del T is the change of temperature is the 1 degree Celsius, means L naught cube 1 plus gamma VF. Now comparison of these three equation, gamma is equal to the 3 alpha. Finally the relation between of alpha, beta, gamma, this is equation 2 considered. Here equation 3 considered. Equation 1, 2, 3 means alpha, beta, gamma is equal to the, first one is the alpha is 2 alpha is 3 alpha. Alpha cancel, means alpha is to beta is to gamma is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. The relation between of the linear expansion, areal expansion, volume expansion, relation is the 1 is to 2 is to 3. These are the explanation of the expansion of the solid, linear and areal and volume. Thank you for watching this video.